The question says the first ionization energy of magnesium is smaller as a compound to that of elements X and Y, but higher than that of the Z. The elements X, Y and Z are respectively. So for third period, the order of ionization energy is sodium, aluminium, magnesium, silicon. Now phosphorus and sulfur, they both swap their position over here. So we have sulfur, then phosphorus, then chlorine and then argon. So the question says the first ionization of energy of magnesium is smaller than that of elements X and Y. Magnesium has smaller than that of elements silicon, sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine and argon, but higher than that of Z. So Z can be any one of sodium and aluminium. So therefore we have sodium as element Z and X and Y. That is silicon, X and Y could be one among silicon, sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine and argon. So we have argon and chlorine. There is no lithium over here. So we have option D as the correct option. That is argon and chlorine are X and Y and sodium is Z.